Yes, class, good morning. Today topic is problem solving exercise 3.3. This topic is a very important topic because in this topic having the many identities, many different trigonometric identities. First of all, before solving this exercise questions, you learn all identities of the trigonometric functions. Then you will help for to solving the trigonometrical functions. Today I am taking question number 9. Question number 9 here, prove that this is a LHS part. What is RHS part here? 1. So now look here. Solution LHS part. What is the LHS part here? Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi by 2x and your cot 3 pi by 2 minus x and cot 2 pi plus x. Before solving this question, I am some discuss with you what value of the 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 3 into 180 upon 2, this is equal to 90, so we are 270 degree. Is a 270 degree. Means this is the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. Means suppose 3 pi by 2 minus x. Means you are going here third quadrant, and 3 pi by 2 plus x, then you are going here fourth quadrant. Look here. What value of this 270 degree? 270 degree means this is the third quadrant. Or suppose you are something minus in third quadrant, then you are already in third quadrant. Suppose you are something plus in third quadrant, you are moving in fourth quadrant. So this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant, and this is value of the 270 degree. Same things here. Suppose you are using a cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Up cos 3 pi by 2x. So this is the third quadrant, something moving in the fourth quadrant. Or cos in fourth quadrant here positive. So here sin x. And why here sin x? Because using the form of 90. Because we are using the form of the 90. That means suppose 90 form means suppose you are using cos 90 plus theta, then 90 minus theta, then we are using here sin theta. Sin theta. Or suppose you are using cos only pi minus theta, then you are using the cos minus cos theta. Because here this is the form of 180, this is the form of the 90. So when using the 90 form, then trigonometrical ratio change. When using the form of the 90, the trigonometrical ratio change, sin cos convert into sin, or cos convert into, or when using the form of the 180, pi means 180. So then using the cos, same thing here, cos. Trigonometrical ratio will be not change. The same thing here. So what will be your cos 3 pi by 2 plus x? 3 pi by 2 means fourth quadrant, or cos is fourth quadrant is positive, then sin x. Value of this sin x. Why sin x? Form of the 90, then sin, or y is positive because here fourth quadrant. Same thing here, cos 2 pi plus x, or 2 pi means cos 2 pi something. 2 pi means fourth quadrant, something adding means first quadrant, moving the first quadrant. This here cos x. And why cos x? Because form of the pi, so then using here cos, or y here positive because this is the first quadrant. First quadrant, every trigonometric ratio is positive. But this is the cos x. Value of this cos x. Same things here. Same things here for cot. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So this will become here cot. This is the fourth quadrant, or fourth quadrant cot is negative sign. But 90 form the 10x. What value of here? 10x. What value are here? 10x. But then here comes 10x. Or here value here come here the cot x plus cot x. Value of this is plus cot x. So now sin x cos x, converting this sin x upon cos x plus cos x upon sin x. This taking LCM here sin x and cos x. Here sin square x plus cos square x. What LCM here? Sin x and cos x. Now look here. First value of this tan x, value of this cot x. Or what formula of the tan x? Sin x upon cos x. Or cot x is cos x upon sin x. Taking LCM, the sin square x plus cos square x. And what LCM? Sin x cos x. This sin x will cancel, sin x and cos x will cancel cos x. What is left here? Sin square x plus cos square x. The result here comes is 1. And this is your RHS proof. Very very simple things here. So don't confuse here कि 3 pi by x, 2 pi by x, y came there. I have everything explained here before solving the question. This value of the sin x, value of this is the cos x, this is the tan x, and this is the cot x. Then you using this and identity and solve it and get the answer. Yes, no doubt. Yes, student. Next question I am taking question number 11. This question also prove that question. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x, cos 3 pi by 4 minus x equal minus root 2 sin x. Before solving this question, I will discuss some point with you. Don't expand this question cos a plus b or cos a minus b, because you have the other identity of the cos also here. Cos c minus cos d. You look this theta and this theta having the different. It means cos x minus cos y. You can using this identity also. Yes, start the solution. First LHS. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Here you having the identity here cos x minus cos y. This is the having the this first angle is x, a second angle here y. What will be here? Minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 and sin x minus y upon 2. This identity. Using this identity here and get the answer. First of minus sin minus 2 sin x plus y. This is the x complete and this is the completed y. Yeah, suppose you are using the a plus b, not using the a plus b. Then using you a plus b here. Sin a plus b upon 2 and sin a minus b upon 2 in this way. So here a place here this complete angle or b place in this second complete angle. But then a plus b minus 2 sin a plus b means so 3 pi upon 4 plus x plus 3 pi upon 4 minus x upon 2. And here second sin 3 pi upon 4 plus x minus 3 pi upon 4 plus x whole upon 2. What will here come? Minus 2 sin x will be x here cancel. What is left here? 3 3 6. 6 pi upon 2 into 4. 3 into 3 6 or 4. We have 2 here come in the this, then you write it in this form. So then next sin this cancel here the 2x upon 2. What is left here? Minus 2 sine 2 3 is 6. So 3 pi by 4. This will cancel here the sine x. What will become here? Sine x after solving this. And this is the more than pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 4. So you converting this 2 sine pi minus pi by 4. When you converting pi minus 4, this is coming the 3 pi by 4. Or this sine x is same here. What will become here? Minus 2. A sine 180 minus theta. So sine theta. And this is the sine x. What value of the sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. So here minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sine x. And this will be cancelled here. This here minus root 2 sine x. So this is your RHS side. RHS your this number and this number is same thing. Same function, same value here. This and this is same value. Root 2 the cancel by 2 here, the root 2 only left here, my sin x here, minus sin here. This is your RHS. So very simple things. Suppose you are using the cos a plus b or cos a minus b, the question will be very complicated. You will not get the answer. Suppose you are in cos c minus cos d or cos a minus cos b, then using this identity, then you will get very easily answer. Yes, note down, then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 13. This is a different type question here. To prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6 is equal to cos 4 sin 4x into sin 8x. Before solving, I am some discussing with you. Cos square 2x or cos square x minus cos square b. No, I have no any identity here. Means cos square a minus cos square b not having the identity. I have only one identity here. Sin square a minus sin square b. What identity here? Sin a plus b and sin a minus b. I have the identity only sin square a minus sin square b. Means sin a plus b bracket close and sin a minus b multiply. It means first of all you convert this question in this form, then using this identity and get the answer. Directly you will not solve in this form because in this form not having the identity, you have only identity of the sine form. So first you convert this sine, then you get the answer of this. Yes, now write here LHS part. Solution. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Yes, we know the cos sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Suppose we are having the cos sine square 2x plus cos square 2x also be 1. So it means what value of the cos square 2x? 1 minus sin square 2x. Value of this. Similarly, what value of the cos square? Similarly, cos square 6x. 1 minus sin square 6x. According this, you are putting two values here, then converting sign. After that, using this identity. Yes. 1 minus sin square 2x and 1 minus sin square 6x. What will be come? Sin square 2x minus plus sin square 6x. This will be cancelled here. What will become here? Sin square positive will write first and negative will write the second, and sin square 2x. Check this, sin square a and sin square b. What identity of this? Sin square a minus sin square b A place here 6x and B place here 2x. Then you solve here sine 6x plus 2x and sine 6x minus 2x. So here sine 8x or here sine 4x, and this is your RHS. This step and this step you check, this both are same. This step, last step and this last step you will check, comparing this, both are same. It means this is the problem. But before solving, you remember it, you have no any identity of direct form of the cos. First you will convert in this cos in sine form, then using the identity of the sine here, sine square is sine square equal to sine A plus B, sine A minus B. This is the special identity. You note down this identity here. This is the special identity. You note down this identity. Very very important identity for this. And how to change this? This is the simple identity of the trigonometric integral. Sine square A plus cos square equal to 1. According to this, help you change and find the value of the functions. Yes, note down. Then next question. Yes, question. Next question I am taking a question number 16. 16 here, cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x upon equal sin 2x upon cos 10x. This is a very simple question here. First of all, you taking your left hand side, cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. Here you do this cos c minus cos d, here sin c minus sin d. According to this, you are using the identity here, cos c minus cos d. What is minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 and sin c minus d upon 2. Value of this. And next is sin c minus sin d. Second identity here. What value of this? 2 cos c plus d upon 2 and sin c minus d upon 2. You have learned the identities. Then the question will be very simple to solve. First, numerator having the cos c minus cos d, denominator having the sin c minus sin d. So two different identities here. Using here and you get the answer. First of all, minus 2 sin c plus d means 9x plus 5x upon 2 and sin 9x minus 5x upon 2. Here 2 cos 17x plus 3x upon 2 and 17x minus 3x upon 2. This 2 will be cancelled here. What is left here? Minus sin 9 by 14 plus 7x. This is here 7x. Or here sin 9 minus 5, 4 into 2x. Or here 30 to here cos 10x. Or here sin 17 minus 3, 14 to 7x. And this will be also cancelled here. What is left? Minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. And this is your RHS. This step and this step you check. Both are same. Last step and this last step both are same. This means RHS. You can take it. But important things you have learned these identities. Important things is the identity here. Question is not difficult here. Identities you have learned the identities. Question is not difficult. First you learn identity, then using here, and then you get the easy answer. Yes, note down the next question. Yes, students. Next question I am taking question number 22nd. Cot s, cot 2x, cot 2s, cot 3x, or cot 3s, cot x equal to 1. The sequence here 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 equal to 1. is how to solve this question. This is a very simple question, but you are first observe the question. Question looking very difficult, but question is not difficult. Question very simple. First LHS side, cot x, cot 2x, cot 2x, cot 3x, and cot 3x and cot x. Means in this question every step having the cot, not tan, not sine, not sec, not cosec. That means this question having the relation in the formula of the cot, because not any you are changing any terminal ratios. Every ratio you are cot. Then it means this question having the relation of the formula of the cot. Yes, now look here. What is the value of the cot? Suppose I am changing here this cot x plus 2x. X plus 2x. What value of this cot x? This value of this cot a plus cot b. Then using this, means cot 3x. I am using here cot 3x. Means cot a plus cot b. So cot x, cot 2x minus 1 upon cot x plus cot 2x. This is equal to cot 3x. In this equation having, suppose you multiply and then you get these equations. According to this formula of the cot 3x, we can use of the here and we can solve this question with the help of the identity of the cot 3x. Yes, now down here in left I am taking only cot 3x. This means cot 3x means cot x plus 2x. X plus cot 3x converting cos x plus 2x. And this is the identity of cot a plus b. What is the cot a plus b? Cot x, cot 2x minus 1 upon cot x plus cot 2x. Are here using your cot 3x. You cross multiply here. What will your cot 3x, cot x plus cot 2x equal cot x, cot 2x minus 1. Here cot x, cot 3x, cot x plus cot 3x, cot 2x equal cot x, cot 2x minus 1. Look here. Suppose you are solving cot x, cot 2x is the positive form. This is the same here. But cot 3x, cot x are negative, or cot 3x, cot 2x also negative, or 1 is positive. So transposing 1 in the right side, and this what will come here? So cot x, cot 2x minus cot 3x, cot x minus cot 3x, cot 2x equal to 1. So this is your proof. Whole identity, this is not required LHS. This is not required. I am whole left hand side and right hand side complete identity. This is LHS and this is RHS. So yes, whole question are proved here. Cot x, cot 2x. So this plus 1 transferring left side, or this will convert in right side. This will convert the positive, convert in the negative both, or negative convert in the positive, then rotate it and you get this answer. So this is a very simple things. You note down it. So some question having different identities, but you using this technique, then you will get the easy answer. Yes, note down.